We are all born with certain gifts and the need to connect. We are all different pieces on the canvas of one grand masterpiece. We are the collection of unique souls made in the image of our Creator. We each bear His special imprint and provide a colorful display of His infinite glory and creativity. We are imperfect and flawed individuals, and we lean on each other because we know we can't do this on our own. We want to be united, and we long for meaningful connections. But life can get hard, and we are plagued with obstacles that pull at us and tear us apart. We're challenged by difference and division, and we find ourselves lonely, lost, and isolated in the chaos. But there is hope, because we have a remedy for all divisions, all cuts, all tears, and all differences. We have a Savior who stepped into the fray with a sacrificial love that binds us all together. To encourage such unity, Paul told the church at Colossae to clothe yourselves with compassion, kindness, humility, gentleness, and patience. Bear with each other and forgive one another. Colossians 3:14 says, "And over all these virtues, put on love, which binds them all together in perfect unity."